You have the best food in the world on the streets, the cheapest food, the best food. Bought your Jhal Muri Wallahs and all the other
Jhal
guys.
Muri. So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do. Hi guys, what's up? So I am very excited. So today is a Saturday morning and we are super happy because I'm going to meet somebody and I have been a fan of him for a really long time. So he is the Jhal Muri Wallah of London. So you guys must be thinking that who he is. I saw him in a lot of TV shows when I was in India. He was on BBC and also he's a chef actually, and he came to Kolkata and learned the art of our Kolkata street food. So he has a very vibrant van here and he sells Jhal Muri and puchka and all of that. And I am such a big fan of him because ever since I saw him on TV, like it was around like 6 or 7 years back, I was like, one day I want to meet him because obviously Jhal Muri is my favorite street food, and him selling that street food which is so attached to my heart here in London, that makes me really happy. And his name is Angus and he's a chef and he has participated in a lot of food festivals across Britain. And yes, that makes me so excited that, you know, our culture and our food is here in London. So yes, I'm super excited to meet him and also taste Jhal Muri. Also Sid is here.
I'm very much excited to meet him and to taste the Jhal Muri.
So yes, let's go to Broccoli Market. Oh my god, look at this cafe. It's a pub, I guess, and I want an Instagram picture here. So cute. Guys, he's right there. He is right behind me and he recognized me with the message that I had sent. So that's the reason why he like got to know that, okay, you're Shanu, you're the vlogger. I said yes, and he said yes, absolutely, do whatever you want to do, and you know, you can vlog about it. So I'm going to capture all the, you know, that stall, really vibrant stall. And guys, the stall is so good, like it's so authentic, and you can see this Indian culture in that stall itself. It has got flowers and it's so vibrant, and you know, all the steel wale bartan is there. I am going to show you guys everything about it just in a bit because right now it's really crowded and everybody want to taste it, and that's the reason we are waiting. And let him get free, I'll just meet him and yes, I'll also capture his stall.
my dear.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
So now Shanu is going to try the Jhal Muri.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's amazing. The taste is exactly like, you know, how we get in Kolkata. Amazing. So good.
We're artists.
Oh.
What I do is just an imitation of what they do. They are very, very beautifully done.
Thank you.
So
Yes, they
support
are.
your Jhal Muri Wallahs
Yay,
and all the other
Jhal
guys.
Muri.
Don't go down to KFC or McDonald's with that rubbish.
Yes.
You have the best food in the world on the streets, the cheapest food, the best food, and look after it. Because the corporate guys will take that away from you before you know it. You will miss it.
Yes.
You will miss it. So yeah,
Thank you so
my
much.
pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Kubalo. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, we finally got to chat with him, and yes, the Jhal Muri was amazing and Sid loved it too, and we also had a picture with him, and it was really nice. He's really kind and he's really sweet. So yes, this was a very memorable experience for both of us. Again,
Obviously, I mean, you know, I never thought that, you know, I'll come here and meet him in person.
yeah.
So it was like I saw him on TV, I think 5 or 6 years back, might be 7 years back, I don't remember exactly.
Yeah, even I know.
But you know, I never thought that, you know, I would meet him. I mean, it was like a dream come true.
Yes. Now we are off to home. So guys, we just came across this really exciting thing. So can you see this telephone booth right behind me? So it's a mini library. So there are a lot of books inside, and you know, you can just sit there and read, like sit outside and read. And also there are a lot of parks here, so you can basically read the books and you can take it and obviously return it after you have read it. So that's really exciting. Like, who knew that a telephone booth would have books? So let's explore that.
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
Had this craving of, you know, South Indian food, so we had dosa. So now we are off to home. So yes, see you there. So there's an Indian hall that is waiting for you. So all the things that I got from India, I'm going to share it with you guys. So guys, I'm back home and it's almost like 3:30 here, and nowadays, you know, the sunlight comes in for like till the evening, so the days are getting longer and the nights are getting shorter, and I'm quite happy about that. So the thing is, I got few things from India this time. The last time you saw my haul was when I first came here, and I got a lot of things, starting from spices and all that stuff, because I wasn't sure if I could get here all that stuff or not. But now, after few months here, I know everything, what I can get, what I cannot. And also you might find few things that, you know, you can find here, but the thing is, I got extra, you know, free luggage. So I was like, let us fill in all the things that I can, because obviously I had this free extra luggage, and I was like, you know, why give you know, extra money here for the same things that I can get in India for the lesser price. So yes, there's a mixture of both the things in my haul. Few things are available here, few things are not. So yes, I'll tell you guys when I would show you guys all the items. So I've already laid it down here on the table, all the things that I got. So yes, let's just get started with the haul. So starting with all the nashtas, let me start with atta noodles. We got few packets of atta noodles just because I couldn't find the this atta noodles here. We can only see, you know, regular maida one. So I got this one. And then my favorite, we got a lot of these are dark fantasy. We really love dark fantasy, so yes, I got a lot of these. Now this is oats. So we travel a lot, and whenever we travel we like to have masala oats. So these are ready to eat, and most of these things are from Big Bazaar in Kolkata, the Lake Mall one. I also got ready to eat poha just in case we travel. So Indian style ready to eat is hard to find. So yes, oat, I didn't find this one here, and also this one, so I got both of these just for traveling. We also got a lot of baked nastas my bhabhi got from Surat, and we love khakra. This one's from Balaji. We love it, this masala khakra, so we got a lot of packets of this too. It's vacuum packed and very good for traveling, like we can always have it on the go. Now talking about mayonnaise, we love this one's from Fun Foods, and the thing is this packaging is really good because you can easily carry while you are traveling, and you can find eggless mayonnaise here, but I really love this one, so I got it. Now this one is my favorite. It's cheese popcorn seasoning. I love this. I got this from Big Bazaar again. It is this cheese popcorn powder, that powder that you find in that in cinemas in India on the popcorn. So that is this. I love this Chotu tomato ketchup. So these kind of packaging are really handy when it comes to traveling, so I got a lot of these. I don't know if you guys know it or not, this one's Karodpati Goli. I really love it. It's Anardana Goli. I got this from Jaipur, and I got a lot of mukhwas from Jaipur. This is one of them which I really love. And my favorite, guys, this is manchao soup. Now let me tell you guys something. So guys, if you really crave for manchao soup here, because obviously here we cannot find manchao soup because that is an Indo-Chinese recipe. So in India only you can find manchao soup, and I thoroughly love this. This is manchao soup by Ching's Secret. I normally don't like soup that is kind of ready to eat, but I only love this one because like it just satisfied the craving that I have, because I really love manchao soup. So yes, this one you can easily find it in India, and the next time you are traveling there, just buy it for yourself if you really love manchao soup. I really love it, and this is so good. So this is the next one. It's Nest Plus multigrain pillows. I really love it for breakfast. My mom gave around 3 or 4 packets of these, and it's super tasty, and yes, I think it recently launched in India. So yes, I really love it, and hence I got like 4 to 5 packets of this. So now for the kitchen, I got this black salt and chaat masala by Catch. This kind of packaging is so easy. I've already used it in the past when I got from India like 6 months back, and it's so easy to use and so good. Like I really love from Catch. So yes, I couldn't find this one here, so I got it. You can obviously see a lot of black salt and chaat masalas here, but not with this packaging, which is super easy to use with the all these stuff. So yes, I've already used it. I also got a lot of these. I have already talked about it. It's V-Wash. It's an intimate hygiene wash. So next up is this Mother Earth Organics Son Masuri rice. I really love this brand, and also their quality of rice, hence I got it. And then my favorite, it is Panchmel mixed dal. You can find this here, but not this brand, which is my favorite. So I just got this one. It's by Green Earth. It's an organic brand. And then of course my wheatgrass powder, which one's from Organic India. And then I got a lot of these. I really don't like the peanuts or the groundnuts here. So this one is again from my favorite brand, that is Mother Earth. I got a lot of these. These are really important because we use a lot of it. Now this is my favorite. This is again from Big Bazaar. It has got this box, which obviously I'm going to change because it's plastic, but yes, it has a lot of different spices all together. So this is again from Big Bazaar. I really loved it, and hence I got it. Now talking about beauty, I really love Kama Ayurveda, and here Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essential is really expensive. So I got neem oil, which I really love, and this one organic sesame oil, which I use a lot. So yes, I got this. And also my favorite, this is the second pack, it's eucalyptus oil. I use this a lot. Whenever I get sinus infection, I use it. So yes, I got this from Kama Ayurveda. So now I'm going to show you guys all the clothing and the bags and stuff that I got. So this one's my favorite. This is from H&M Kolkata. I really love it, and it was just for $4.99. This looks really cool, and I'm not going to try it out because I don't really have that many clothes to show. So I also got a lot of track pants. I really love track pants from H&M. These are really comfortable. I got a lot of these like in different colors, black, blue, grey and all that colors. Because I really love it. So you can find H&M and all of the brands here obviously, but the thing is, you know, in India everything is quite, you know, you can just travel in an auto and you can just get to H&M. It's so close. So yes, I really love shopping in India more than here. I don't know why. Might be because I'm not familiar here that much, but yes, you know, shopping in Kolkata has got a different experience because a lot of memories are attached. That might be the reason. So Big Bazaar has a lot of good pajamas and shorts and all of that. So I got really cute ones. Like this is really cute. It has got this ice creams and sodas and all of that. It's a very cute pattern and really cute in color. And then I also got this one, like this is just a plain pajama. So I got a lot of these in Big Bazaar. I really love wearing Big Bazaar stuff because it's super comfortable and it is 100% cotton. So yes, I got all these pajamas for just wearing at home. And yes, from Forever 21 I got this really cute t-shirt. It says "Pardon my French." Nice one. It was for I guess $6.99, and the pajamas that I showed you were just like $150 or $200. Yeah, it's really cheap. And I really love Forever 21 when it comes to active wear because I go for running a lot and also yoga and all that stuff. So I got these kind of black pants for, you know, as an active wear from Forever 21. So next is this kurti from Max again. This was like for $3.50 and I really love this color. So I got this if I have to, you know, go to the temple here, then, you know, it's quite easy to wear these kind of cotton kurtis. Now from Max again, I got these really cute bags. So it's a backpack. Yes, I really love it, and yes, it was around like 800 rupees per bag. I really love it. The next is this turtleneck. I got a few things from Zara because they had this really good sale going on. So this is a turtleneck. It is a very beautiful neon color. So yes, I got this for, you know, the winter months here. This was really cheap. I guess it was on discount and I got it for $11.90. So yes, it's really good and really soft. So last but not the least from Zara is this. This is the only huge investment that I made. I really love jackets from Zara, and this is water resistant. So it's really good if it's raining or if it's snowing. So I really love this jacket. It has got this, and yes, it's super cool and water resistant. And it was around like 7K I guess. But yes, it's worth the investment. So that was it guys. I'm ending this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this day with me. Thank you so much guys for watching it. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you.